Cheers mates, how you doing? This is Ramon with the Rhodesian Connection. Like they say in Turkish, hoş geldiniz, nasılsın, merhaba. That's like, hello, how are you, and welcome. This is my channel, and today, instead of going outside, the weather's a little bit sucky. It's very cloudy, and we've been having rain showers. So I was craving for something that my wife knows how to prepare so good. It's called green rice, and we're gonna do a video on that. So today my vlog is about cooking, and I hope you all enjoy it. I know I'll be enjoying the end result, but I hope you'll enjoy it too. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button, the share, and the like, and the notification bell right below. So this way you get all the latest information, vlogs, etc. as they come out. Alright, without further ado, let's begin this video. Okay guys, so this is the green rice, and I'm gonna let Julia explain everything. Here we go.
So you need about a pound of chicken breast mixed with chicken thighs. A pound is like half a kilo. You need about 3 bunches of cilantro and 1 bunch of dill and 1 onion, and you're gonna need about 1.5 cups of rice. So we're gonna, since I already diced the chicken, not to waste the time, I'm gonna start cutting the parsley. Do as fine as you can, not too fine but not large either. The name is green rice because it uses a lot of cilantro, and it's an amazing taste.
Yeah, and in Turkey there is a lot of parsley, but unfortunately cilantro is not as easy to come by. So you have to specifically, when you go to whether those fresh bazaars or those markets that come weekly, ask them for cilantro. I can't remember the word they use in Turkish, but if you use your translator, you can figure out what cilantro is in Turkish, and there are some vendors that do carry it, so that's where you would find cilantro. Most supermarkets, unfortunately, do not carry this. This is a very Spanish, like a Latin kind of green vegetable. You can see the dill and the cilantro is all finely chopped, and now we're going to do next is the onion, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna peel 1 onion and dice it.
Alright guys, so
I put about 1/4 cup olive oil, let it heat, and then I throw the onions. We're gonna wait till they get translucent, and the only seasoning that you use for this dish is salt and pepper, and the most important seasoning is the black pepper, so you use a little bit more of the black pepper than you usually do.
So just a little heads up guys, my wife Julia is a little bit camera shy, so that's the reason that we don't have her, visually in this frame, but Now
we're gonna add the chicken.
Yep, we're just putting chicken in there. And this is some great chicken. I got it at one of the butcheries in...
It's organic chicken.
Yeah, organic chicken. So...
It's like half a kilo, 1 pound of chicken breast and chicken thighs mixed.
Yeah, we try to stay away from supermarkets or big places because the foods, unfortunately, the hormones and other chemicals they put in there. So we're using only organic products, and that's one thing that's great in Turkey is you have an abundance of fresh organic produce, whether it's fruits, vegetables, or meats.
Just cook that a bit until chicken breast kind of turns white. I never measure really, I just like kind of eyeball it, but for you guys I'm trying my best to measure it, everything.
Let's see the flame. Is it still gonna be
It's for
on
now
high?
it's high, yeah, for now it's high.
Okay, alright, so I guess until this stuff is cooked, we'll keep it at a temperature. So we have over here 1.5 cups of rice. We already washed it. And the washing process, what I've learned is that you keep on rinsing it until all that coloring disappears. The white coloring goes away, and then the water stays clear. So at that point, the rice is washed. So let's go back to the...
So the chicken already turned white. So now it is safe to add the cilantro and dill.
One thing I have to let you know, the cilantro, if anyone hasn't used it, is amazing. The aroma it gives to the food, whether you put it in a salad or in this case in the green rice, it's just amazing. And just the flavor once you dig into it, and you'll see what I'm talking about once we go through this whole process and our green rice is completed.
Just mix it all up.
Are we adding any salt or any seasonings at this point?
Add salt right now and pepper.
How much salt do we usually put in here?
Well, I think we're gonna go ahead and do like 1 tablespoon.
Okay, so 1 tablespoon of salt.
And then if you'll taste it later. If you need more, you'll add more.
Yeah, one thing we're trying to cut back on is sodium a little bit, but it's you can always add sugar, like Julia said.
Sugar?
I mean salt, I'm sorry, according to your taste.
Now we're gonna add a tablespoon of black pepper. I will probably add like a 1.5 tablespoon of black pepper because that's the most important ingredient. Mix it all up. And I would just add water. The way I do it, I just put enough, like I added till it hits the top of the chicken, maybe a little bit more. That's about enough. And I try to add boiled water.
So I guess if you have a kettle, just boil your water and have it prepared to...
So we don't want it to boil this much. So we're gonna lower the heat
What's like a medium?
To like medium low, and until kind of the water becomes greenish from the cilantro.
I'm already smelling the cilantro, so and this is just the beginning. But this is something that I really truly love, and it's not a very difficult dish to put together. So something, a twist. There's people out there who call different dishes with rice. They call it the plov, the pulao, and so forth. This is just the green rice.
And you can also make it in the oven. It's just here in Turkey, I still didn't use an oven, so I need to play with it, see how it goes.
Yeah, next time we'll try to use the oven, for this dish, because it's the way the taste comes a little bit different.
It's pretty much the same. It's just a little bit
More baked.
Yeah, just baked.
Okay, let's let that simmer for how long? Should we keep it on here for about until the water level goes down, or?
No, just until the water turns a little green.
Okay.
Maybe like 5-7 minutes. On the lower, I would probably lower the heat some more. Make it like low.
Okay, let's let it boil a little bit until the water is green, and we'll come right back. Let's check the water. Give me a teaspoon. Let's see if the water is nice and green. Yeah. So that's kind of like the color. It's almost like a soupy. All right. And what do we do next, Julia?
I'm gonna add the rice.
Now you can probably add different rices here. We're using right now a rice that we got from Turkey, but you can use basmati, you can use the long grain, or any other, even the jasmine rice would work. Although the jasmine rice is a little stickier.
So you just mix everything together. You're gonna increase the heat to medium. You want it to boil to get rid of the water.
And how long do we usually keep it on the medium? You close the lid now?
No, we just have to let the water evaporate.
Okay.
And then you're gonna close the lid.
Okay. So now it looks like there's a soup that they make in Peru. The consistency right now looks like that soup. What is that soup called again, Joel? Remember? Aguadito.
Yes.
Aguadito. Yeah, that's the soup. It's a really, if any of my subscribers here know about Peruvian food, the Peruvians make a really good soup with chicken and rice and cilantro and all these other things, and it's so tasty. So aguadito. I'm just gonna give it a sniff. It's just, I don't know, cilantro is nice oozing in the air right now, so my kitchen is smelling amazing.
So I already tasted the water. The salt is pretty good for my taste. So I'm just gonna have to taste it and see how it is for you. You can add less than a tablespoon or more. It's all up to you.
So guys, just keep in mind, it's just me and Julia here, so we're making a bigger portion. I love green rice, so I'll have it most probably for a couple of days, and I can have it cold or hot, but today I'm gonna start off very, very hot once it's done.
Yeah, I wanted to put just 1 cup, but he asked me for a little bit more, so I added another half a cup.
Well, that's because we haven't eaten this for a while, so I really missed it. So that's the reason. But now it's boiling nice and good. And
So we're just waiting for the water to evaporate.
let's let that do its magic, and we'll come back in a little bit to see how that turns out. All right, so as you can see, the water's evaporated quite a bit.
So this is the level that you want it to be. The water is gone, literally. So now we're gonna lower the fire completely low. We're gonna close the lid and let it do its magic. In about 20-25 minutes, it should be ready.
All right, perfect. So let's wait for a few. Come right back. Guys, so let's see the finished product.
Voila.
That's green rice. Oh my god.
Let's hope it's not so.
I can't wait to sink my teeth into that.
Is that enough for you?
Yeah, that's good. Okay. And we made some fresh salad. This is a salad with some onions and tomatoes with special hot peppers, chilies. And these are the radish. So
Test it out.
all right, let's
Steam
dig
it
in.
hot.
I'm just gonna put a little bit of salad here because I love this. This is a salad called artichoke. It's a traditional Uzbek salad. It's so delicious. I love chilies, so I'm gonna grab a bunch of those and add them into my. All right, let's dig in and see how this is.
Try it first without it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Tell me.
Oh, it's hot. Julia, the bomb. Oh my god.
Enjoy.
I missed this for such a long time. We've been in Turkey now almost 2 months, and I haven't had this for 3 months, let's say. So I was dying for it, and when you live in Turkey for a certain time period, you miss certain foods because obviously there's things that you love, enjoy with the seasonings, and so when you make it at home, it is it's the best. So I'm gonna try some artichoke. I feel in heaven. I said this is I'll be happy for the next couple of days. So can't wait to eat more. But I'm gonna just finish this one plate first, and we'll grab another one very soon. All right, guys. So this is green rice with the artichoke, the salad, and some radishes. We put all the information about the ingredients. I'll put them on the bottom with my in the description boxes. But don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, so we can bring you some really cool, awesome videos. And if you like my cooking stuff, please write a comment and let me know. I'm gonna start adding more things, based on what you guys tell me. All right, so this is Ramon here with the Rhodesian Connection. Until the next time, take it easy. Let me dig in my food, and we'll talk to you soon. Cheers.
And when you make it, please attach the picture so I can see it that you are making it and enjoying it.
Yeah,
Thank
if you have any questions, I do have my contact information on my profile, so you can always hit me a WhatsApp. And if you have any questions regarding how to prepare, or anything regarding the food, or anything regarding expat information, if I have that information, I'll pass it on to you. Take it easy. Cheers.